I'm not going any further unless you relight your lamp.
Fine. Then I'll go without you.
What? It's dangerous to go without a brake van, you know.
I know. But it might be quicker and quieter too.
Gator left Toad behind and hurried on towards the junction. Then there was trouble.
Oh, gravel!
Toad was still fuming when he heard something coming back along the tracks.
Hello? Who's that? Be careful! Brake van on the line!
Sorry, Toad. You were right all along. About everything.
I was only doing my job, Mr. Gator.
I just wanted to be really useful.
And so did I. When engines go too fast to be safe, it's my job to slow them down.
Especially when they don't have a lamp.
Especially then.
I can't get my lamp lit, so it looks like we're going to be stuck here until morning. Oh, perhaps I'm not a very useful engine after all.
And that's when Toad had a very bright idea.
Mr. Gator, I've got 2 lamps.
Go on.
How about I lend you one of my lamps so you can see the way and show other engines you're approaching?
So that's just what they did. The driver changed the lens from red to white, and Gator pulled Oliver's cars all the way to the docks without any further trouble.
Well done, Gator. You're just in time. You had me worried there for a while.
I had a little trouble with my lamp, sir.
It looks fine to me, Gator.
That's not my lamp, sir. It belongs to Toad. He suggested I borrow it as mine wasn't working.
Is that so? Well done, Toad.
I'll be sad to see you go when your ship comes in, Mr. Gator.
Oh, it won't be for a while yet, Toad. I'm sorry for getting cross. I was fed up with people being surprised by my appearance and mistaking me for a monster. You know, Toad, you're the only one I've met on the whole island who wasn't scared when they first saw me.
Actually, I was a bit startled when I first saw you, Mr. Gator, but very little really scares me, sir. Oh!
Emily made up that story about having a giant globe to deliver.
No, Annie. That was very silly.
Excuse me, you two. We might want to hurry it along a bit.
Why?
Because there's a giant globe heading right for us! Come back!
I can't imagine what's keeping Emily. She should have been here with that globe by now. Where could she be?
The giant globe rolled all the way to Brendam Docks.
clattering Columbus! The world's heading straight for us!
Ah, stop it!
I've got it!
Come here, you! Oh, no!
A giant globe had rolled right off the end of the docks. Even Cranky couldn't reach it now.
How am I going to tell Sir Topham Hatt?
Did somebody lose their ball?
Captain's rescued the runaway globe!
Cranky fished the giant globe out of the sea and put it back onto Emily's flatbed.
Thanks, Cranky. And thank you too, Captain.
My, Emily. You are very late.
I'm really sorry, sir. I just wanted everyone to see my exciting delivery.
Well, you certainly did cause confusion and delay, but at least you got here in the end. Now, let's get the globe into place.
Well, Emily, I think you managed to make that the most exciting delivery ever.
Maybe a little bit too exciting, Thomas.
All the colours of the rainbow.
But that's just an old waste car, full of smelly old garbage. Do you think Bill and Ben have played a trick on me, Salty?
Aye, Timothy, I'd say so.
But I've been running around all over the island and this car does look just like the one they were asking for.
Aye, and so that's the car they're going to get, whether they likes it or not. You show 'em, Timothy.
Whoa! What's that stinky smell? I don't know. It smells like rotten fish. Or worse than that, it smells like dockyard waste. Timothy!
Hey, Bill. Hi, Ben. I found that car you were looking for.
That's not the car. There is no such car.
But it's red and orange, yellow and green, blue and indigo and violet. Just like you said.
We made it up. It was a joke. Shh, Ben, look who's coming.
So it's true. Salty told me you sent Timothy steaming around the island on a fool's errand.
Oh, yes. Sorry, sir.
You have caused confusion and delay, and for that, I'm putting you on waste collection duty. Oh, and you can start by taking this car of dockyard waste to the dump where it belongs.
Oh, no. Come on, Bill. Hurry up. It's all right for you. I've got to pull this whiffy car. And you. Well, it's all right for you. I'm getting covered in stinky garbage. Whoa, it's a bit pongy. You mean you are? Did you just call me pongy? Yes, I did. You're pongy. No, you are. No, you are. You are.